5, Section 1, parricide, murder, homicide. Article 246, parricide. Number 1, that the person is killed. Number 2, that the deceased is killed by the accused. And number 3, that the deceased is the father, mother, or child, whether legitimate or legitimate other ascendant or other descendant, or the legitimate spouse of the accused. In Article 247, death or physical injuries inflicted under exceptional circumstances. Number 1, that a legally married person or a parent surprises his spouse or his daughter, the latter under 18 years of age and living with him in the act of committing sexual intercourse with other person. Number 2, that he or she killed any both of them or inflicts upon or both of them any serious physical injury in the act or immediately thereafter. And number 3, that he has not promoted or facilitated in prostitution of his wife or daughter, or the he or she has not consented to the infidelity of others. Then, Article 248, murder. 1, that the person was killed. 2, that the accused killed him. 3, that the killing was attended by any of the qualifying circumstances mentioned in Article 248, and 4, that the killing is not parricide or infanticide. Article 249, homicide elements. Number 1, that the person was killed. Number 2, that the accused killed him without any justifying circumstances. Number 3, that the accused had the intention to kill, which is presumed. And number 4, that the killing was not attended by any of the qualifying circumstances of murder or by the qualifying of infanticide. Then Article 251, death caused in a tumultuous affray. Number 1, that there be several persons. 2, that they did not compose groups organized for the common purpose of assaulting and attacking each other reciprocally. Otherwise, they may be held each liable as conspirators. Conspirators. Then number 3, that these several persons quarreled, and assaulted one another in a confused and tumultuous manner. Number 4, that someone was killed in the course of a fray. 5, that is not be ascertained who actually killed the deceased. And 6, that the person or persons who inflicted serious physical injuries or who used violence can be identified. Article 252, physical injuries inflicted in a tumultuous affray. Number 1, that there is tumultuous affray as referred to in Article 251. Number 2, that a participant or some participants thereof suffer serious physical injuries or physical injuries of a less serious nature only. Article 253, giving assistance to suicide act punished. Number 1, assisting other to commit suicide, whether the suicide is consummated or not. Number 2, by lending his assistance to another to commit suicide to the extent of killing himself. Article 254, discharge of firearms. Number 1, that the offender discharge or a firearm against or at another person. And number 2, that the offender has no intention to kill that person. Section 2, infanticide and abortion. Article 25, infanticide elements. Number 1, that a child was killed. Number 2, that the deceased child was less than 3 days of age. And 3, that the accused killed the said child. Article 256, intentional abortion. Elements 1, that there is a pregnant woman. Number 2, that violence is exerted or drugs or beverage administered, or that the accused otherwise acts upon such pregnant woman. Number 3, that a result of the use violence or drugs or beverage upon her, or any other act of the accused, the fetus dies either in the woman, in the womb, or after having been expelled therefrom. And number 4, that abortion is intended. Then Article 257, intentional abortion. Number 1, that there is pregnant woman. Number 2, that the violence is used upon such pregnant woman without intending an abortion. Number 3, that the violence is intentionally exerted. And number 4, that as a result of violence, that the fetus dies either in the womb or having been expelled therefrom. Then Article 258, abortion practiced by the woman herself or her parents. Number 1, that there is a pregnant woman who has suffered an abortion. Number 2, that the abortion is intended. And number 3, that the abortion is caused by A, the pregnant woman itself, B, any person with her consent, or C, any of her or parents with her consent for the purpose of concealing his dishonor. So Article 259, abortion practiced by a physician or midwife in dispensing of abortion elements. Number 1, that there is a pregnant woman who has suffered an abortion. Number 2, that this abortion is intended. Number 3, that the offender, who must be a physician or midwife, causes or assist in causing the abortion. And number 4, that said physician or midwife takes advantage of his or her scientific knowledge or skill. As the pharmacist, the elements are: number 1, that the offender is a pharmacist. Number 2, that there is no proper prescription from a physician. And number 3, that the offender dispenses any abortive. Section 3, duel. Article 260, responsibility of participants in a duel. Acts punished by killing one's adversary in a duel. Number 2, by inflicting upon such adversary physical injuries. And number 3, by making a combat although no physical injuries have been inflicted. Article 261, challenging to a duel. Acts punished: number 1, by challenging another to a duel. Number 2, by inciting another to give or accept a challenge to a duel. And 3, by scoffing or decrying another publicly for having refused to accept a challenge to a fight duel. Chapter 2, physical injuries. Article 262, mutilation. Elements kay: number 1, by intentionally mutilating another by depriving him of either totally or partially of some essential organ by reproduction. A, that there be castration, that is mutilation or organs. Then B, that the mutilation is caused purposely and deliberately for reproduction. Number 2 is by intentionally making other mutilation, that is by looping or clipping of any part of the body of the offended party. Then, other than the essential organ for reproduction, or deprive him of the part of the body. Then, Article 263, serious physical injuries. Serious physical injuries, number one, when the injured person become insane, imbecile, impotent, or blind is consequence of the physical injuries inflicted. Number two is when the injured person loses the use of speech or the power to hear or to smell or loses an eye, a hand, a foot, an arm, or a leg. Then ang B is loses the use of any such member or C becomes incapacitated for the work in which there he was therefore habitually engaged in consequence of the physical injury inflicted. Then number three is the when the person injured becomes deformed, or B loses any other member of his body, or C loses the use thereof, or D becomes ill or incapacitated for the performance of the work in which he was habitually engaged for more than 90 days in consequence of the physical injuries inflicted. Di ano ko tama sa Roy, kay Kumpres.